So I'm changing out my taillight circuit board on my 2005 Escalade, and I'll put a picture up of it and a picture of the Dorman one I bought. It's a it's a 923012 right there. There's a picture of it. So as I was changing out the blue one, the blue connector, I'll put a picture up of that, and you'll see this connector right here was messed up. So I went to the wrecker and got a new board and connector. So what I'm going to do is cut this wire, but I wanted to just talk about how I got the wire out of there, because it's I didn't see anything online with this kind of connector like this. There's an orange or brown one just like it on the opposite side too. So I kind of messed with it to see how to get the connector out. So you can see I pulled this one out too. So I'll put this one back in and kind of show you, because it's kind of delicate and I didn't see anything online for this kind of connector. So let's get this guy back in first. So you can see it kind of comes up there, and then you kind of push it in and it pops, see? So the way you're going to get it out is, I've got dental tools. You get them at Harbor Freight or whatever. You can get like a needle, and you just kind of, let me make there, and then you just get a screwdriver or something. Sorry. Just kind of get in there. We'll fight you a little bit. Almost there. And be real careful with these too. They're kind of delicate. But once you kind of get it out of the way, kind of go to the corner like that. Give it a little push. And you just got to get it past that. So try this one more time. There we go. So if you give it a little push down, you'll all of a sudden feel it move. And then you'll be able to just kind of pull the wire by, and hopefully you don't do what I just did, where you do that, and then there you go. You plop it out like that. So it's not too hard. Just make sure you undo the thing on the back, and then make sure you hit the little deal in there, give it a little light push, and then pull on the wire at the same time. And as long as you got the little tab in there moved, you'll be all set. So I hope that helps somebody. I'll put some pictures up of my messed up connector. And what we're going to do, like I said, is we're just going to cut this one off, probably back here, splice it in, and then put the new one on the connector, and we'll be good to go. So hope that helps somebody. Like and subscribe.